In a class test, the sum of Shefali marks in mathematics and English is 30. So first we'll solve this part. Let the marks in mathematics be x. So English marks will be 30 minus x. Okay. Then now second part. She got 2 marks more in mathematics. What is the marks in mathematics? We suppose x. So 2 more means x plus 2. And 3 marks less in English. What we got in English? 30 minus x. So 30 minus x minus 3. Got it? Okay. So here, if she had got 2 marks more in mathematics, her marks would be x plus 2. If she had got 3 marks less in English, her marks would be 30 minus x minus 3. So 30 minus 3 is 27. So 27 minus x. The next part is the product of both marks is 210. Said product means multiplication. Multiplication of what? Mathematics and English. So x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210. Is it? So x plus 2 into 27 minus x is equal to 210. First you multiply with x. X with 27, 27. X with minus x. So it will minus x square. 2 into 27 is 54. 2 into minus x is minus 2x is equal to 210. Is it? Rearrange it. First minus x square, then 27 minus 2 is 25x plus 25x, then 54 is equal to 210. 54 moving, okay. So you can take it inside, equate it, put it inside, or you take this, since it is minus x square, so take all these terms on that side, let it be equal to 0. So 0 is equal to x square will move on that side, so it will become plus. This is plus, so it will become minus 25x. Then it is a plus, so it will become minus 54, and 210 plus 210 is equal to 0. Is it? So simplify this. So what is the x square minus 25x, 210 minus 54 is 156. So you have to factorize it. So you will get a factor as minus 13 and minus 12. If you add it, these two minus, you will get answer minus 25. So your factorization is minus 13 minus 12x. Okay. So from first to the bracket, x is taken common. So x minus 13. From this bracket, minus 12 is taken common. So x minus 13. Again x minus 13 is common. Then x minus 12. So 0 is equal to x minus 12, or 0 is equal to x minus 12. So x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 12. So if x is equal to 12, means she got mathematics marks 12 marks. Then in English she will get 18. If she get mathematics marks 13, then in English she will get 17 marks. This rectangle field is 60 more than the shorter side. Suppose shorter side is x, then the diagonal will be x plus 60. If the longer side is 30 more than the shorter side is x, so longer side will be x plus 30. Find the sides of the field. Is it? L and B we have to find. Here A, B, C, D is a rectangle. The diagonals, the shortest side is BD, X. Is it? So the diagonal is 60 more, so x plus 60, and here the longer side is 30 more, so x plus 30. So we will get this rectangle. Okay. So here we will get a triangle in triangle BDC. This is a right angle triangle. So we apply the Pythagoras theorem and get the value of x. Here. So in triangle BCD, BC square, according to Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to BD square plus CD square. So it is x plus 60 whole square. BD is x, so x square plus x plus 30 whole square. Now it is a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means first term square, so x square. 2 into first term into second term, so 2 into x into 60. 2 into, what is that? It is 2 into x into 60. So it will become 120x. And square of 60 is 360. Here x square. Then again a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A is what? X. So x square. 2ab. So 2 into x into 30. So it is 60x. And square of 30 is 900. So x square, 1x square will cancel. So x square is here. So let this all term, these two terms, let's move on. Take it on other sides. So x square, 60x plus 900 minus 120 minus 3600 is equal to 0. You can write instead of here, you can write here also. So x square, simplify it, 120 and plus 60. So plus minus minus. 120 is a bigger number, so it is minus 60. 900 and 360, 36 or 3600. So if we subtract it again, plus minus minus 3600, it is a greater number, so minus 27. So you have to find the factor 60 minus 90 plus 30. Is it? Okay. You will get 272700. So that is a factor of it. So x taken common, so x minus 90, 30 taken common, x minus 90, again x minus 90 taken common, so x plus 30. So x minus 90 is equal to 0 or x plus 30 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 90 or x is equal to minus 30, which is not possible. So if x is equal to 90, then 30 plus x. 30 plus x. What is x? X is 90. So 30, 90, 30 plus 90. So it is 120 meter. So the two sides of the field are 120 and 90 meter. Respond to 7 sum. The difference of the square of two number is 180. Suppose one number is x, other number is 180 minus x. Difference of the square means x square minus 180 minus x whole square. Is it? Okay, that will be there. The square of the smaller number is 8 times larger the smaller number. Find the two number. So let the one number be, suppose the smaller number be x. So we have x square into 8 into larger number. Is it? So what will be the larger number? Larger number will be x square upon 8. Is it? What is given? See here. Okay. The square of the smaller number, which is x, is means equal to 8 times 8 into the larger number. Okay, is it? The square of the smaller number, so the smaller number is x, so x square is means equal to 8 into the 8 times the larger number. 8 times the larger number means x. Is it? So x square is means equal to 8 into larger number. Larger number is what we have. The larger number is, we have to find and we can get the larger number. Is it? So suppose the smaller number is x. X square is equal to 8 into larger number. So larger number will be what? X square upon 8. Okay. So what is given? The first part you see here. The difference of the square of two number is 180. Difference. What is a smaller number? X. Okay. What is a larger number? X square by 8. Difference of these two will be equal to 180. So larger number first. So x square by 8 whole square minus x square is equal to 180. Is it? Because it is given that difference of the square of two number is 180. Is it? So open this bracket. So x is to 4 upon 8 is 64 minus x whole square means x square is equal to 180. You have to take LCM 64. So x is to 4 minus 64x square. So 64 is a LCM and it is in denominator, so it will go multiply with 180. So x is to 4 minus 64x square is equal to 180 into 64, that is 11520. Is it? Let it be, bring it inside, equate to 0. Okay, so what we get now, we have to find the factor of 64. So x is to 4 minus 144 plus 180. Okay, plus minus, factor is plus minus because the factor here is minus minus. Minus plus means minus minus plus, factor should be minus plus. So x square common, so x square minus 144, 80 is common, x square minus 144 is equal to 0. So x square minus 144 into x square plus 80 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to x square minus 144 is equal to 0, and x square plus 80 is equal to 0. X square is equal to minus 80, which is not possible. So x square is equal to 144. If we take root of 144, it will be 12. Is it? So x is 12. So smaller number is 12. Larger, so the larger number is what? X square by 8. So 12 square upon 8. So 144 by 8, that is 18. So thus the smaller number, you have to write the result here. Thus the smaller number is 12 and the larger number is 18.